Hello?
Hello, is this Chad?
Yeah, this is Chad.
Hello, it is a pleasure to meet you. My name is Rolando.
Oh, okay.
Your mother gave me your number. She said to call you.
My mom?
Yes, your mother is quite a woman, no?
What the hell is going on?
She would like me to speak with you. I am, how do you say, your mother's very special friend.
What do you... I don't understand. What do you mean?
Well, we have become very close since meeting on Tinder.
You met on Tinder?
Oh, yes. Your mother, she has been recently divorced from your papa, no?
Yeah, I mean... I don't think she's dating anyone, but...
Well,
What?
I do not think she is dating anymore. She is in a relationship with the bull, and I am the bull.
What? You're exclusive with her?
Well, when I logged onto Tinder, I thought she was the most beautiful woman I'd ever laid my eyes on. So I swiped right on my full-breasted seahorse. And the rest, it is history.
What? Did you just call her a full-breasted seahorse? Are you kidding me?
She's a beautiful
What
one.
the hell are you talking about? What is this?
It is love, my friend. And now my heart is full of love.
No,
and affection.
listen, man, this is like really weird. Don't you understand? I don't need to hear all of this stuff that you're telling me.
My son, I understand.
What?
I asked for your number specifically so I could talk to you and let you know that she will be well taken
No.
care of with the bull.
Look, dude, I don't know what the hell is going on. You sound like a f***ing weirdo. You understand?
No, I am not, as you say, weirdo. I'm telling you, tomorrow night, I'm going to take your mother out for a candlelight dinner so lovely. But then, I will get on one knee. I will ask for her hand.
Hey.
And we will make love over and over like dolphins in the wild.
Listen to me.
Hi, Dios
What the
mío.
f*** is wrong with you? I don't want to hear you talking about making love to my mom. Like, dolphins? What the hell are you talking about?
Listen, you are swearing a lot, my son. And I must remind you after tomorrow night, Rolando will be your father. And I demand some respect.
Dude, you f***ing weirdo. You're not gonna be my dad, alright? I don't...
Silencio! You will listen to your father and show me some respect. Now go to your room, child.
What the f*** are you talking about, dude? I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna kill
I
you.
apologize. I am so sorry that I yelled. Let me drive you to get some ice cream, perhaps. Maybe we can
Stop.
speak about your mother's erogenous zones, if you know what I
Listen,
mean.
dude. Stop. Dude, you gotta stop this nonsense. I don't know who the hell you are, but I'm gonna call my mom right now and figure this out.
No, don't call your mom. I'm so sorry, man. This is Jose from Brick and Jeffrey in the Morning, and I'm doing a phone tap on you right now.
Oh my god, dude, what?
Your mom, Mary, set you up, and she said she wanted to mess with you about her getting back into the dating scene. Apparently, you're more nervous than she is about it.
I really thought it was some like real weirdo is trying to bang my mom, like so.